Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Better Discord on your Mac. For those who don't know, Better Discord is an extension of the Discord app that allows you to customize the client with themes and plugins. Please note that Better Discord is against Discord's terms of service, so install it at your own risk. Now, let's get started with the installation process. First, open your favorite browser and search for Better Discord. Click on the first website that appears. On the Better Discord website, click the blue download button and save the file. Next, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to extract the zip folder. Then double-click on the extracted Better Discord file. If you see a pop-up saying Better Discord cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified, click Cancel. Now open Finder by pressing Command plus spacebar and searching for System Preferences. Open System Preferences, and then Security and Privacy. Go to the General tab, click the padlock icon at the bottom, and enter your security password to unlock it. At the bottom, click Open Anyway to allow the installation. A new pop-up appears saying, macOS cannot verify the developer of Better Discord. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open, accept the license agreement and click Next. On the Choose Action screen, select Install Better Discord and click Next. Choose the path to your installed Discord app and click Install. After the installation process is finished, click Close. Now open Discord and go to Settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a section named Better Discord. Now that you have Better Discord installed, you can install multiple themes and plugins. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.